Hi, today we are with Dr. Anand Bhardwaj, the world's highest qualified Vastu consultant with over 39 years experience in scientific, technical and authentic Vastu Shastra. I welcome all the viewers to the new professional and complete series on Scientific Vastu program. Friends, as I had told you before that if you need to ponder upon any Vastu factor, just type the Vastu factor with Dr. Bhardwaj's name and click on search, and instantly you will get the real, accurate, scientific and authentic knowledge on the topic in a very short time. He has been to many countries worldwide for giving his Vastu expert advice on commercial and residential Vastu. It is very easy for any Vastu consultant to advise on making a building on a new plot as per Vastu bylaws. But what about the already built up houses and commercial complexes? Most of the Vastu consultants advise demolition, but he never does that. How does he do that? Because he deals in Vastu correction without demolition, which is very effective. Today we are taking up another new topic on the location of the path or passage in a garden. Sir, please tell us about this topic.
Okay, thank you. So far as the passage is concerned, passage is a place where we have to move inside the garden. So you are looking at the garden, this is the garden and this is the passage. In fact, the passage was built up somewhere else. It was located in south or west direction, but south and west directions are not comfortable as per Vastu, because if the passage is located in east or north, then only we shall be able to have the heavy area in south and west. So this is the best way to make the passage in east, and the passage in east and north have the joint in the northeast corner, which is called the Ishan corner. And the joint of two passages in northeast at Ishan corner is a very comfortable as per Vastu, because it is the way from where the positive direction shall move inside the premises. So as you are looking that we are making certain changes in the passage, we are moving from south and west to north and east. With making all these changes, we shall be able to do one thing more, which is very comfortable. We won't be able to construct anything on this passage. In that case, the north and east shall remain vacant, and it shall be light. It shall be clear, and there shall be no obstruction. There shall be no cluttering in this area. So if we are able to, we succeed to get east and north as low as possible, as clean as possible, and as open as possible, automatically the positive vibration shall move inside the premises. This is a very simple formula of Vastu Shastra, which is very comfortable for everybody.
Thank you for enlightening us with your words of wisdom.